in the name of Allah. I bear witness that none has the right to be worshipped except Allah, alone without partner. And I bear witness that Muhammad is his slave and messenger. O Allah, make me of those who return to you often in repentance, and make me of those who remain clean and pure. How perfect you are, O Allah, and I praise you. I seek your forgiveness and turn in repentance to you.